Here we see a common problem when there are large breasts and clothes that interact with them. I will now show you a way to solve this problem using dForce. Under the frames to simulate, select Animated, Custom, and set, for example, 12 frames. Then move the timeline cursor to frame 10. Select your character. Add the keyframe. Move the timeline to 0. Reset your character to 0. You should get your character to take shape while getting into a pose. Now we've prepared our model for simulation and are ready to press the Simulate button. And that's how we use dForce for realism.